As we continue our exploration in the science behind gems, we will delve into the fascinating geological processes that give birth to the gemstones we so admire. Gemstones are nature's marvels, formed over millions of years under specific conditions. Their formation is a testament to the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of our planet. Gemstones formed from the cooling and solidification of magma or lava. Diamonds, formed deep within the Earth's mantle under extreme heat and pressure, and then brought to the surface by volcanic eruptions. The rate of cooling determines the size of the crystals. Slow cooling results in larger crystals, while rapid cooling produces smaller ones. Gemstones formed from mineral particles or organic material that accumulates in layers and hardens over time. Opals, which are formed from the accumulation of silica-rich solutions that harden over time. These gemstones often contain inclusions or fragments of the surrounding material, giving them unique patterns and appearances. Gemstones formed under heat and pressure that cause existing minerals to recrystallize or transform. Rubies and sapphires, which can form from the metamorphism of limestone. The original mineral's composition, combined with the specific conditions of heat and pressure, determines the resulting gemstone. Gemstones formed from hot water solutions that emerge from the Earth's crust. Some emeralds and quartz varieties are formed in hydrothermal veins. As the hot water solution cools, minerals crystallize and grow over time, forming gemstones. Gemstones that originate from living organisms. Pearls, formed inside mollusks as a response to an irritant, and amber, which is fossilized tree resin. These gemstones offer a glimpse into the interplay between life and mineral processes. The formation of gemstones is a complex interplay of chemistry, physics, and geology, shaped by the ever-changing dynamics of our planet. Each gemstone, with its unique formation story, is a testament to the wonders of nature and time.